Hello, my precious viewers. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog, another video. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you my poultry farm, my little poultry farm in my backyard. As I promised you guys earlier, that my next video will be the poultry farm. So guys, I'm going to be showing you around the poultry today and what I do. Okay guys, if today is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and leave a comment. Okay guys, and if you're a returning subscribers, thank you. I love you guys for watching, for always watching my videos. Okay guys, let's go and see. Behind me you can see the poultry, so we're going to turn around and go and see how they look like. It's a little poultry. We are just starting up. I started with 78 beds and now I have 400 beds. So it's little by little, gradually we'll grow, we'll get there. It's a vision, it's a dream. So let's go guys and see what we do in the farm and how the beds are doing. Let's go guys. So let's go. These are the beds. This one is sleeping. These are the beds. Mama, what? You want to make a video? Oh, yeah, go inside. Go inside. Go and pick one bed for mommy. Go inside. She's going inside. Yes, she's our baby farmer. So these are the beds. We have two partitions here. Why? Because these are the beds, as you can see. They are eating, they are doing well, they are all healthy. So these are the beds. And over there is where they lay their eggs. As you can see it. There are two partitions because these are the first sets. As I said earlier that I started with 78 beds. I added some few more beds. So these are the beds. Mama, can you excuse me please? These are the beds. These are the beds. Yes. 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 You want to come inside? So. These are the beds. Over here there are over 200 or something, and over there we have 100 and something. In total there are 400. So these are the beds. So you can see these ones over here, they are laying. That's why they are perching there. That's their laying next. Some prefer to lay on the floor, while some prefer to lay inside. I don't know if you can see it over there. Mama, can you let her be? Let her be. Let them be, please. We made this feeder. My husband made this feeder. We made it by ourselves. We bought a pipe. I think they call it PVC pipe. We bought it and we cut it and tied a rope over it to the rooftop like this. So we made the feeder. Are you scared? Why are you scared? They are coming on. They are coming on. The birds are coming on. No, don't be scared. Don't be scared. They won't do you anything. Come, let me carry. Oh. So as you can see, some even perch on tops. There are lots of egg there. you can see. So they go inside. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. They go inside. That's where they lay. They go inside to lay. All those ones you are seeing are the ones that are laying this morning. Some lay very, very early. Very early. Very, very early. So, these are the beds. These are the beds. So the feeder is quite simple, easy. We did it DIY. So that is it, guys. These are the beds. Some are over here. You can see the eggs there. So these are what we do. Thank you. Mama said sorry. So actually I'm going to add more beds to this place because you can see we still have a lot of space. A lot of space. This place will contain, because we are doing normally they do a battery cage, the cage system, but we are doing what they call deep litter system. These are eggs. Yes, eggs. So we are doing deep litter system, and for those of you that want to start and you don't have that money to start with, or to buy a battery, to buy cage, you can start with deep litter system, and with time you grow it. As you can see, it's a big place. It's a big place. It will contain. You want to come down, guys? Let me show you guys what. I have on my head. Can you guys see that? So guys, I'm going to be picking the eggs. Let's see how many crates they've laid at this time of the day. So, as I said earlier, this is where they lay their eggs. So many birds inside. They are laying. So if you shift them, you will see lots of eggs. You can see there are lots of eggs here. Let's see how many they are going to be giving us this morning. Lots of eggs. There's one. That one broke one. I think the shell is very, very fragile. It's not strong, that's why. You can see over here there's lots of egg. So we got So guys, my husband is helping me to pick the eggs. As you can see, this is what he collected from this part. It's almost 4 crates. Look at it. So let me help him to open the door. So guys, these are the eggs that we picked. My husband just helped me to pick this crate. It's almost 3.5 crates from this part, and this one was the one we picked yesterday evening, and we picked this one from this part. So these are the eggs we have for now. As you can see, there are lots of eggs. So guys, that should be it for today. Guys, this is where we end our video for today. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the notification bell. In case I upload any new video, you will be the first to be notified. You will see my video. So please share my video, watch my videos, and subscribe to this channel. Let's grow this channel together. Subscribe to my channel, guys, and lots of things will be coming up. My next video is still going to be on the farm in my compound, so I'll be showing you. I have pigs, I have dogs, I have turkeys, native chicken, and a dog. So I'll be showing you. I have puppies. I will be uploading that video, I think. After this one, I will be uploading that video. So let's see, guys. Please, as I said earlier, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to thumbs up for my videos, like my videos, share. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye.